Don't throw that old yoga mat away. Do this instead. Cut a larger piece of yoga mat and place it on your floor. Use it as a mat for your pet. Grab a little yoga mat scrap and cut it. Fold it in half and hot glue the entire thing closed. Make a hole on one end of this little piece. Put a keychain through that hole. This little piece will help your keys float when in water. Cut a piece of yoga mat and wrap it around a travel mug to know what size you need. Place 2 Velcro dots on either end so that it will wrap around your travel mug and close. This will protect your hands from the heat. Grab a keyboard, measure the length and width that you need, cut that piece out, and then hot glue the entire piece closed. Place it on the edge of your keyboard on your desk and you have a wrist rest. Grab your tablet, place it on the end of a yoga mat. Flip it over so you know exactly how long you need that piece to be. And then cut that piece out. Fold the piece in half so that the fold is on one side and glue the sides on either side of the fold. There will still be an opening at the top, and this is where you can slide your tablet in and out of the case. Now you have a carrying case. Cut a larger piece of yoga mat and fold it into thirds. Hot glue the entire thing closed. Place it outside on the ground to protect your knees while gardening. Grab a picture frame, measure the back side onto a piece of yoga mat, and cut it to size. Place it on top of the backing, put it back into the picture frame, and close it. Place it somewhere in your home and use push pins and notes, and you've got yourself a mini bulletin board.
Grab a coordinating kitchen towel and pot holder. Fold the towel and lay it out flat, and place the pot holder right in the center. Pin or clip it in place. Then head over to the sewing machine and sew it straight down the middle. Now grab a button and sew that onto the pot holder. This cute towel will now hook onto the handle of your stove or your dishwasher. It looks great and it's functional. Sew on a piece of elastic, creating 2 loops. Flip the pot holder over and use some fabric glue to attach a long piece of ribbon. Slide your toothbrush and toothpaste into the elastic, fold it in half, and tie the pouch together with the ribbon. Toss this in your bag and you're ready to go. Grab a pot holder and some quick dry fabric glue, fold it in half and glue it on just 2 of the sides. Hold it in place until the glue is completely dry. This will slip right over the handle of the pan and you can pick it up and protect your hands.
So here's the big secret. Every pool noodle has a hole in it. So I'm going to stick the pool noodle onto the faucet like this. Next, I take the other end of the pool noodle and I hold it down so that it aims in the center of the bucket. I turn the water on slowly and I just wait to fill the bucket to the level I want. Now, how easy is this? Now I'm ready to get mopping. Now, a lot of people have trouble with drafts coming in under doors. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a pool noodle and I'm gonna measure my door. What I picked up was a pillowcase from the dollar store. I'm gonna take this pool noodle, stick it inside. I'm gonna lay it back down on the table so it's nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and just wind it. So I'm gonna put a little dab of hot glue here, and then I'm just gonna run this along the edge. So this end is open because this is the top of the pillowcase. So all I'm gonna do is stick the pillowcase into the hole. Velcro adhesive. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the adhesive and I'm gonna place it. Now I have peeled the backing off and I'm going to stick it to the door. Here it is on the door and I can still open and close the door with ease. So what I've got here is a pool noodle from an old project that's already cut. And then what I need to do from here is just take a pen or a pencil or marker and just kind of mark where this spot is. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a slit into about half of the pool noodle. Next, I'm gonna flip the noodle over and I've got these great little picture holder strips and you're gonna wanna put it on the back side of where each of these are. So I start by peeling the backing off. And now I stick and press it on the wall and I need to wait 30 seconds at minimum. I just open the pool noodle like so and I stick my broom handle inside. Here they are all hung up and I'm just absolutely thrilled with how easy this was and how it turned out.
Place sponges in the bottom of your refrigerator baskets to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and help them last longer. The sponges will soak up any unwanted water or other moisture. Wrap a sponge in 2 different places around the handle and hold it in place with a rubber band. Place your hands on the sponges and begin shoveling, raking, or sweeping. It'll protect your hands from getting blisters. Place the sponge between the wall and the hammer. Pull the nail out while protecting the wall with your sponge from the metal of the hammer. In a container, add a half a cup of water and a half a cup of fabric softener. Mix together and add your sponges. Let them sit for a while to soak up the mixture. To use them, squeeze out the extra fabric softener back into the container. Toss the sponge in the dryer with your wet clothes and turn the dryer on. When your load is dry, pull out your sponge and put it back in the fabric softener mixture because they're reusable.
Grab a toilet paper roll, cut a slit down the toilet paper roll, tape 2 of them together, slide them onto a hanger, and slide your pants over the top of the cardboard. This will stop your pants from getting creases in them. Take a cord, clip it into a pants hanger, wind it around the hanger, and clip the other end into the other clip of the pants hanger. Now you have some easy cord organization. Place a rubber band on each side of the hanger. Place your garments onto the hanger. This will keep anything from slipping off the edges of your hangers. Grab a couple of old business cards. Fold them in half. Place one end over the top of the pants and clip that into a pants hanger. Now you can hang your pants with ease and it will not leave any crease marks. If you have wire hangers, grab 2 clothespins, clip them onto the wire hanger, and then clip your pants onto the hangers. This will prevent creases as well. Now, if you're short on storage space in your closet, all you need is a chain. Place one end of the chain onto your hanger in your first outfit. A couple lengths down, place the second hanger with the next shirt or outfit. This hangs them all vertically, saving you space in your closet as well as keeps it nice and flat. Grab a hanger and a package of shower curtain rings. Place all of the shower curtain rings onto the hanger, or as many as you need. Grab your necklaces and place them onto the shower curtain rings. One item per shower curtain ring. This keeps your jewelry hanging nicely and it makes it easy to grab when you're getting dressed. Grab your scarves and slide them through the rings. This will keep your scarves nice and organized, works well for decorative scarves and winter scarves. Grab your baseball caps and focus on the back side of the cap where there is a loop. This hangs them sideways into your closet and is a huge space saver.
Take 2 wire cabinet shelves and 2 plastic bins. Bend the legs of the shelves towards the center. Place storage container lids in the grooves. Now you have the perfect plastic storage container organization. Take 2 wire shower caddies and weave them together. Use zip ties, cut the zip tie tails. Place shower caddies. Now you have the perfect storage for cooking pans, baking sheets.
Let's start with that mess of plastic bags. Lay it out flat, fold it in half, then in half again. Fold it up into triangles. I'm going to take the handles and tuck them into the little pocket of the triangle. Now that same amount of bags fits in that container. To fold a larger reusable bag, lay it out flat and fold it into thirds. Fold the bottom up, tuck the handles in. Now you're able to store these bags vertically. Lay out your kitchen towel, fold it in half again. Fold it into thirds, right into the pocket you created. It's not going to become unfolded. Fold a bag of chips, bringing each corner together on a diagonal. Flip the bag around and fold it down 3 or 4 times. Fold over the corners. It's not gonna leak. Start by tucking in the 2 side pieces. Squeeze the sides together and tuck that final piece, making it line up really nicely in your pantry.